Hello guys, so today I'll talk about how to use getupside app to save on gas. So first of all, what you gotta do, just go to your Play Store or your App Store on your device, type in getupside, and this is the app you're supposed to look for, and which I already have installed on my device. So go to the getupside app on your device, make sure you turn on your location so that it's automatically select the gas station near your location. So hit that OK, and as you can see, I'm right in the middle right here, and it shows me around the area which gas station gives me what offer. So it offer for groceries, restaurant, and gas station. So I'm specifically looking for gas stations, so hit gas. So once you hit gas, it will automatically select all the gas station near you. So you can make your own decision based on what kind of offer you will choose. So I'm taking only premiums at this point. If I go to that BP location, the first one I see, I have to pay $3.50 per gallon, and I will save 13 cents per gallon. The highest one pops up at the beginning or somewhere in the middle. Okay, if I go to Speedway, right here on the bottom it says 15 cents. The decision is yours, so I will make my point. So for example, I go there in this location, claim offer. So once you go there, as you can see, I usually take premium gas, so I'm gonna save 13 cents on premium. If I take regular, I will save 14 cents, and if I take mid-grade, I'll save only 6 cents per gallon. So once you go there, claim offer, it's gonna give you, since I'm not there, I can't check in at this point. Once I got there, they're gonna give me around 19 to 20 minutes to make my purchase. And once you if you go there, you have to pay the regular price, which is $3.63 on premium. But within 3 to 4 days, they're gonna send you an email telling you how much money you saved, which is the 13 cents, how much you paid. They're gonna give you $2 based on how many gallons you take, $2.75 if you take only 9 to 10 gallons, if you save only 13 cents. So this is how it works. If you click on the left upper corner arrow, you can see the history that I have saved up, how much money since. So I put gas from there, Speedway on premium, 9.99 gallons. I saved up $1.80. They gives you all of that. And sorry for interrupting. Alright, so make sure you go to your My Wallet and save some of the card that you already saved. I highly recommend you that you are if you are saving like cashback credit cards, you can add up that too, so you can maximize your maximize the return of that money. So you can also invite your friends for this is my invitation code, which is WNNTVG. This is my invitation individual code. They're gonna give you your own invite code. If someone uses that code, they will if they if they put gas on their car, you will earn 1 cent per gallon for every gallon they buy in the future. This is how it works. This is a really efficient way possible. You can also cash out at this point. As you can see, I saved around $37, and if you want to cash out that money, you can do it through physical check on your home. You can do Amazon. I prefer Amazon. You just go Amazon, hit $37, as you can see. So choose the method, you can choose that, and that's it. That's all. It's very efficient way possible to save money. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please give thumbs up, and if you like the video,